BittyBrush. Trick or treat. Let's draw a cute ghost. Boo! Let's draw a hat. Do you like Halloween? Eyes. And a sweet smile. Let's paint the hat purple. Subscribe to the channel. Orange. Yellow. Wow, what a cute ghost it turned out to be. Happy Halloween!